I'm Dr. Manjushri Boo. I'm a consultant obstetrician, gynecologist, IVF consultant, and lap surgeon. Manyata has helped a lot, like proper documentation, proper consent taking, partogram charting. This is all we have started after Manyata. So diagnose the disease, catch them young, treat them effectively, monitor them critically, and then you have the best outcome. And Manyata has helped my staff in being alert and vigilant in dealing with complications. Respectful maternity care, which only Manyata had given. So I must thank Manyata for having this concept to all obstetrician and all paramedical staff. Being a quality conscious person, I always wanted some streamlining of things. So when I heard of Manyata, some film star had come to inaugurate this. So that day I was there, and that day only I decided and registered myself for Manyata. My center was NABH accredited. So we were knowing that accreditation procedure with any technically advanced thing, what all groundwork you need to do, what are training your staff should get. So see, doctor cannot be present 24/7. With patient, who is there? It's paramedical staff. So paramedical staff is the backbone of your hospital. I must say that everyone is now very alert. They take up signals very fast. They catch diseases very early. Manyata has imbibed in them that you have to monitor this patient. You can avoid complication because complication doesn't happen in a day. It is a story. It goes on as a story. Like if at 130/90 BP is rising, if you're not giving treatment, if you're not asking patient to salt restriction, then that BP goes to 140/90, still not treated, 150/100. Then she becomes fulminant hypertension, and then she gives you a fit eclampsia. So it is a story. You have to break the story and treat them young. Earliest you have to diagnose and treat the complication. And I distinctly remember Hema Divakar ma'am saying, "Manju, you are getting 200 out of 100 for your facility." So that sentence still rings in my ear that my staff did so well. This is a very important word, respectful maternity care, which only Manyata had given. Because see, obstetric and labor patient is a time when she screams. And as a staff, you are tense that if she doesn't push baby down, baby may come out asphyxiated. So we really have to ask her to push it hard. Sometimes it may not be very respectful manner, especially from your staff side. As an obstetrician, you are always respectful to your patient. So that has really changed. Like we have told them we can ask some attendant also. Like if you wish to be there inside the labor room, you can assist her in labor room, because having your own person nearby, that calms down the patient in labor. We had patient who was two patients who are 47 and 48 years. We have delivered at that time. Both of them had a diabetes mellitus before only. We have put them on insulin during pregnancy, and throughout 9 months, both the patient has monitored themselves, and the staff used to go home and get the monitoring done. They have trained patient to take insulin and when to report to the hospital. So believe me, all cases, they have a wonderful outcome. One delivered a twins at 37 weeks, taking a patient with insulin of 100 units at the age of 48 without any complication. We can say it is really commendable, and we should be proud of it also. If you manage staff well, they are with you for pretty long time. And we made a system like whosoever goes or whosoever comes, the senior most staff has to train them. So already a system is set.